Today, I'm going to show you how you can connect your FundedNext account to MetaTrader 5 quickly and easily. First of all, make sure that you have your MetaTrader 5 application installed on your mobile phone. Second thing is to click on it and it should be open, something similar to this. Once it is opened, go to this area, to the settings, as you can see from here. And then what you should choose is trade account or simply new account, one of them. Now, once you are here, simply click on the search bar and search for FundedNext. So let's go here, funded, and simply wait a little bit. They will give you all of these information. So let's choose exactly FundedNext. So you could choose this one exactly, as you can see right here. So let's choose it. And once you are on it, choose the server that you want. Do is, for example, this one, and simply then you have to log into your account. So put your credentials in here. There's the login, the password. Once you have done this, go and click on sign in button, which is in the bottom of the screen. Once you have done that, you will be connecting your FundedNext to MetaTrader 5.